Hello everyone and welcome to episode 13 on how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 2 inside of Scratch. In today's episode, I am going to be creating the desk in the office and also creating a little visual whenever an animatronic walks into the office as well. So starting off with, we're going to do that little visual. I'm going to make a new sprite. I'm going to call it black. And I'm going to convert to bitmap and fill in the costume with just black. And put the coordinates as 0, 0, X and Y. So for the code, it's really easy. Just when flag is clicked, hide, and when I receive, move into office. If you do not have this message, make sure you've watched the last episode. Then we show the costume. We go to the front layer. We wait 0.6 seconds and then we hide. And that's it. So that way it gets an opportunity, the animatronic gets an opportunity to go into the room so it doesn't just appear out of nowhere. Alright, so let's make a new sprite. And I'm going to call it the desk. And we need a few costumes to the desk, which we will upload now. Also, we need to upload. So upload to files. Let's go to our FNAF 2 textures folder. Now in the office, no, it's a menu. Office utilities, probably in here, right? No, of course not. Okay, it's in the office nights menu, the office and inside. And we just need 291, 292, 293, and 296. Let's open all these up. And we got our little desk. Got our desk right here. Okay, and we don't need to change any of the stuff in the costume editor, so let's leave that. Now in the code, we're going to start off with a when flag is clicked, we hide it straight away. And then straight after, we do a when I receive start game, we show repeat until time equals 6, next costume, and go to a minus operator, and in the left we do 48, and in the right we do office X, and in the Y we do minus 70, just like that. Okay, and then we need an if else. If equals, and we need camera up. If camera up is 1, we hide it, else we show it. And also when I receive start game, repeat until, or actually we can do it like this. Let's go to my blocks, make a block, call it stick. And the reason we call it stick is because for whatever reason, sometimes the desk can look like it's wobbling, and stick, for whatever reason, using a define block makes it just run better, and so it doesn't wobble. So we can just put that right at the top there, so stick. We'll also make this run without screen refresh. And then we need to do a repeat. Or actually, well, because this is inside the repeat loop, we do not need that. We just need the go to XY block. So this is just making sure that we are always moving to the right spot. And another thing is we also need a when I receive another one, start game. We wait until time equals 6, and then we hide, and then we stop other scripts inside of the sprite. Okay, so that should all work now, hopefully. So we can just test this out by pressing the play button, starting a game, and hopefully when we get in, we will see a desk. We'll see our desk in the office, hopefully. There we go. And just make sure it's not moving around like awkwardly, just making sure, turning the light on seems to work, vent lights are working, the cameras are working, the mask seems to be working fine with it. Looks like the desk is working good. So we have the desk in there now. It's just kind of like a mini feature. Also, if you want to test out the animatronic movement thing, come into the Chica AI script, and if you haven't removed this set Chica AI to 20 yet, just click on it to set her AI to 20 and she'll start moving. Let's have a look at a movement pattern by looking on this animatronics list. So I forget what number Chica is. So she's number 1, so she's in 02 right now, so let's check. Okay, she's just moved to 06, so that's in here. And she's about to move to the office in a second, so I should say office. Okay, so it did flash up for a second. I'm probably gonna die. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, that seems to have worked. Yeah, that seems to have all been good. So this was just a mini episode today. But next time we are going to be doing Foxy's AI, and Foxy is a little bit different to all the animatronics, but that's all good. Yeah, I'll see you next time.